Dali, ada di tengah. Kape ini, kape. ate. Ano karo ra? Kopi ra. Nakita, nakita.
Maglakad lang ako ha.
Saya magkakuan ka ka. Dito tapo. Dito yang magtapo. Inugaw na sugod kaw. Ay, kasukul na sila.
No, kasupula si...
Kamsiri buwan. May bas-bas ka. May atas mo. Sambay ka na. Ay, kusit. Alaw ko pa dito. Siro pa, bidzuang bidzuang ko yun. Isa naman yung igurot ka siro pa. Go.
Good morning. Today is December 27, 2008. It is the day of Thanksgiving for this year to our Father. And as our offering to Him, I have prepared a healing water in His honor. I want people to help through His healing power as God's healing. I want to help people, especially now. Speculation has started. The day of the Lord has begun since 2005. So many sufferings. How to fulfill Mother's word is to trample the economy around the world. To help more people, I have prepared a healing water, not only to heal the sick, but also to help from the problem and nothing to soothe their physical weariness. Today, we are about to start the program in honor of our guests who are here. We are very few because Joseph said, hindi kailangan ang maraming membro so that people will know what kind of mission we have. This water is near the house where Mother left the healing water in 1976. Okay, we cannot enter that house, so I built a new one, and it is already blessed on December 18. But in 1988, January 1, the Mother blessed all the waters around the Mindanao, mineral and salt water. asked her to help me cure the sick, and I told mother that it's easy to cure sick people, but I want also to help through their problem. So through the water they drink, of course they will pray first, and that's how I help people to come to my place. And Bangkal now is a holy land, holy place, because of what happened in 1975. Joseph offered his life. He laid his body now in the shrine, and that's why I'm continuing the mission so that those innocent people, especially the truth seekers, would find this place and they will be saved not only physically but spiritually.
Umaga po.
Speechless. Andito na naman tayo. Sorry. Nandito naman po tayo sa nagkasi-competition. Sana malapit na matapos ang ating year 2008. Andito tayo sa Thanksgiving natin. Saka sana sa 2009, ganito pa rin tayo, masaya, no? Kahit crisis, alam naman natin sa 2009, crisis na. Tayo na sa gusto, darating talaga yan. Pero tayo dito na kay Ama, magpasalamat tayo. Dahil kung may crisis sa kanila, sa atin wala. Kahit kunti na pagkain natin, pero makakain naman tayo sa oras-oras, diba? Di pa rin sa sa laing lugar na hindi sila makaon. May na lang kita, masking mais. Mas sustansya pa ang mais. Ang saging, no? Kaya ito naman ang saging. Pero labing. Sana sa susunod na taon, ganito pa rin tayo, buo pa rin tayo. Yun lang, at saka Happy New Year sa lahat. Sa atin lahat.
Mali na siya. Kapag nakalisod ang panahon. Kita magiging mga problema ng mga Uruguay. Pero sa ibang bansa, diba? Sa nabila ng mga Black America.
At the sun, bangkowing in the winter, the pleasant summer sun, the raccoons in the garden, he made them everyone. He made them and see them and mixed them in my bed. How great is God our Father, who has made us his friend.
Mga excellent ang mga bata dito sa Mission House. Kadaganan na sila, mga honor student, na yung mga ribbon. Next, akan...
O maging kung magdamong nga mag-aaral ko karon, nining liga, ang uban na siguro nayahay, pero dito sa amo, kay Tintano man, wala din silahay. Pero sa panguhan ni Mother nga mura o gitagaan kung tabang niya, mag-aaral ng napon, lagi pamagin nga makatulang, hindi nakita. Sa ako lang paminaw, akong naunaw ta, hindi na kumari diri kay nga naman, nga usahay, wala mo tayo mahimo ani. Pero sa panabang siguro ni Mother, wala hindi siguro mahimuan, ining bias, tugan, bias, dire. Ang ako lang hinahuna, nung uwang siguro ko o pagtagad hindi kay layo, mangko. Ang ako lang katuyuan, hasugan na ako ng kanan, gikan ni Mother 0123-064, o karon, ang akong feeling niya din kang Mother, kitang tanan magkayo sa taba, alam ko mo makatagad yung kong
Karon kayo sa nagpunta kay sa maroon kakuan Thanksgiving din nato. Muli asuan pili nato sa 2008. Maayong ta kung ato sa 2009 nalagyan sa palagamay na lang gud. Kay magunsa man ang dagan dili man nakasabot kung uban. Mura bitaw sila sama sa pamandiko bitaw. Kaya itong mga bata, itong banggaon, at imanong itong mayo, okay. Pagkat sa Diyos, parang sinus, nanina na ito ang anak ko yan.
Sunod-sunod kong party.
Dahil ang nagulong binagmay na dito ng mga okay. Ang grasya gihatag naman sa tuwa, okay kayo na. Eh, sa matag adlaw, magkaunta. Na may uban, di ba? Karon sa kuwan sa Southern DC, doy kayo, sige sa Bagyo. Ang
The next year, we are aware that the coming year is going to be harder than the past year. My job as a writer is to read and to try to write something. And I have been reading that, and I can feel it that the world is sad. People are worried for their future. It's going to be hard also in our country, Philippines. But the message of my talk today is about our goal is to promote universal faith. Now, let me bring in another word related to universal faith. That means to say holistic. The meaning of holistic is complete. Now, as we review in our memory the religions that have been introduced to people, they all agree on one feature. That is to say that everybody has a soul. The body is not alone, but there's another component of existence that is the soul. And that is the holistic awareness. Remembers that the body and soul are existing together, and they are equally important. So our task in this missionary work, one of our tasks, of course, it is important that we continue our feeding program and that we keep on planting. And the third task that we have is to promote universal faith. So one feature of universal faith is we never target against any other religion, because all the religions and all the teachings that has been given to mankind, they have all insisted that the body, and as God the Father has reminded us before, we are unique human beings because we can choose whether to be bad or to be good. I just want to, in reviewing the past year, I have observed that when we got near November, that's the time our leader, Mama Sil, has introduced our feeding program. All over, I'm recalling January, the middle of January, when we started this project of construction, and now we can be happy. We can enjoy this new construction. So, in closing, I would just like to greet everybody and to be inspired by the commands of His Majesty. Happy New Year! At the more formal na. Tapos na ang saya, tapos na ang saya. Kayo sa buntag, ang una nag-tuktok sa kwarto si Angelo. Alam ni Mother na wala ako sa sarili, kaya I was awakened by this coin. Tapos, without knowing, for the first time, Ariel gave me this. Ano yung bulat ito?
Jesus Joseph.
Ha?
Joseph.
Kay? Ilalim? Ilalim? Masa ni number? Isa na natagani?
Angelo.
Isa ni? Isa ni? Isang kulay?
Pink.
Pinkish. I have given 3 signs. Kasi, Father knows I don't want to talk. Sabi ko, please Joseph, excuse me. But, how many days passed? Di ba naglinog? I refuse. So, naglinog. I still refuse. Then, the earthquake became stronger. I became afraid. I was so afraid, so I said, you will be done. Ngayon, I have to do my duty. My duty now is to draw the lines. Lines, hindi lang isa. I have to do the lines. But before I will do it, let me present to you the new set of officers. Kasi sabi ko kay Joseph, it is not we don't have any more officers because of what you have told me. I have obeyed. Pero this is for record purposes, record. Nakikita ninyo, record for purposes. Sulat na sa set. Kasi karamihan, walang time. They cannot help me if I need them. Kaya ayaw ko na sana mag-officers. This is not my choice. Joseph choose them. 2009 officers are for the adults, this column, for the young, this column. To make it complete. To fulfill my feeling, it's my part. But number 1, the little faith is Charis' part. I cannot talk. It is not my assignment. My assignment is to feed the needy. To plant is your part as my co-workers. No more mission family in this co-workers. Kasi yung mission family, di ba na-abolish, maraming nasaktan. Kaya I will say co-workers kasi prefer willingness to help me, not obligingly. So I will read you will read it para fast. Before I will read this one, let me distribute these pictures. First, to the dear writer of Joseph. Dear Landlordes, dear Bitang, salamat Lynn sa inyong pagkaaha. Ito, Erlinda. Carlo and Abby. Carlo and Abby. Carlo and Abby. Carlo. Move on. Be at peace with yourself. Help the mission outside Bangkal by earning and bringing truth seekers to the feet of God. But how? Like me. Rico and Jason, be good boys. Look at Angelo. His tongue is showing bad manners. Oh. Tapos na, kita mo naman mga pictures. Handa na. Some would be happy. Some would go out. Pero, ako'y mahimo sa uman. I have to do my job. The year, di ba sa October message, di ba? Sabi mo sa October message. The year 2000, no more excuse to look under the work of my mama said. Not mine, ha? Not mine. Kami sa nagpadala, kasi naghatag ng tay karon. Sana nagsuulang. Nagpulang po, nagpulang niya, alright. This is up for them. They must be looked up to as models in this new era. Your life now must be devoted more to God's will. Ang gusto ni Joseph, ang pagbuk sa Ginoong matuman, pero sa akong kabahin, lisod, sa akong kabahin. Kuyo, kamo. You are fortunate to live in this new era, when a greater comprehension of the divine is possible. Kayo maswerte kay naamo di sa bangkang misyon ang minasabtan bayan sa iyang pag-ari nga mother 0123 plus 4 and nasa kasama. Sino parang sa kasama niya? Oh. Ha? Sino kasama niya yung mother? This is our center of attention this coming year 2009. Whether you know or don't, the planet Earth that began its take-off. Nausap na yun ang kalibutan. Sino nagpanood ng TV news? Nag-usap na yun ang dagan sa kalibutan. Pati ang klima, iba ng klima. Ang ekonomiya, iba na. Ngayon, I cannot be excused to my work. Sa 2009, malaki ang pagbabago. This world will now is now going back to the basics. Kaya sabi dito sa objectives, universal faith, unti-unti maalis ang religion. That's why Sari has to teach how we will go on and on until they will know about holistic awareness. To fulfill nagbibigay is my part. Mama ko, Philippines, particularly Mindanao, what province? Davao City. Particularly in what city? Davao City. Bangkal. Lugar sa Davao City is Bangkal. You are mga sales co-workers, kamo na adiri, no? Kamo na adiri. Must cooperate. Kung wala kang tawag ng pangalan, dili sa ingon nga nalugmok na mo. Bangon! Diba? Kaya ang nasa listahan diri, kung maglangan-langan sila, di sila magkinarong, ilisan man. Nasabtan ninyo, wala ko na apel sa pangalan, wala namin sa pangalan, dili mo mag-upay-pay. Kumuha nga challenge sa kanyang paggalingon. Kung ano mo na kinabuhi. Usahay, magkubita, usahay, magkinakulang ka. Pero kung gamitin mo sa Ginoo, bisa natulog mo, hindi mo patulugon. Kisa naka-experience ka ako. Kung gamitin mo sa Ginoo, isa gusto mo matulog, kagaya sa akin. How many nights I cannot really sleep? Because I don't want to talk. Paglinom, kung ano mahimo. Kaya sabi ni Mother, ni Joseph, Mother pala yun. Ang tagline ni Joseph ay lindol at saka tidal wave. Ang tagline daw ni Ama, ulog at idlat. Ang tagline daw ng ina, baha. Kasi mag-iyak man ang mama. Share what you can do to make Bangkal Mission come alive. I am with Mama Phil's mission work. Sino nag-asulti dali? Kasi nalimutan mo nga dili ako. This millions you cannot do it alone. I need someone I can rely to face the truth seekers. For I have taken back my foster mother. Ano sa ng foster mother? Ano sa ng foster mother? Besides ng foster mother,
Indul at ang mama niya.
na nagbarog na mama. Pero hindi ko mama niya. Ang iyang mama tinuod sa physical, Virgin Mary. Sa physical sa unang generation. Ako, foster mother, not that not. Ikaw, ano. Ayun lang ang paglibog. Basta diretso lang ni Ama. I don't want to I let the people suffer instead to make them understand there is really God. Alfredo Paraiso, asa si has to attend Friday gathering. Kaya ni mo ni Boy? Due to feeding program, he has to be actively participate. Para sa una bitaw nga biyernes para yung gathering, show up to update mission work. Matilda has to continue her livelihood outside mission work to help generate funds. God dito ha, ano yung manto ni Joseph Sumor para tabangan kaniya. Attend Friday gathering and occasions, not daily. Kung sa'yo nasulit sa una, di na magtuhol, di na usabon at islam. Wilmer has to distance himself from mission activity. Where is my Wilmer? That is your fault. Actually last night, anytime. Wilmer has to distance himself from mission activity. He prefers to be stay out student than to stay in the missionary. Mas gusto niya, sigawa, kasama sa mission house. Not mission house, mission work. Let him stay in the bunkhouse beside mother's room. Wala akong pakialam, anong gawin na doon, pagkainitan sa mission house, kain, eskwela, no library, no school. Sa taal, nasa'y, meron pa itong ginagawa kay Rico. Kaya lang, ginaabot ba? Ginapabalik sa mama. Gusto ko magkaroon si Rico. I am giving Ermalyn last chance. If she does not sleep in Missioner's Care Home this January 2009, she will be out of mission duty. Naglabay-labay naman ako si Ermalyn, naglabay-labay na. Tapos pangalan sa mission, ayaw ko na matatakban, matataksaw na asya. Mahirap na wala ang mga bata sa mission house. Gusto ni Joseph, nasa mission house. Kung ayaw nila ng duty, okay lang, kay pamagtabang na. Not free will, voluntary. Mas gusto ko yung voluntary kasa obligan sa ginikanan. Annabelle must understand that the mission needs people who willingly give their time like she does. Again, Annabelle must understand that the mission needs people who willingly give their time like she does. We should stay regularly with Mama Phil. Future co-workers, I will be the ones to choose. Isa to hindi magtinarong, sabi ni Joseph. Future, ano future? Future co-workers, I will be the ones to choose. Ma-explain ko na kanina. The mission work of 2009 is to catch up what was lost in time. I am one who delayed that. Timetable. Money is not the problem. It is the concerned people who make it slow. Live simply, no vices, everything will be alright. Ito yung expression ni Joseph. Ayos lang yan, Manansil. Listen as this one. Everything will be alright. Mark my word. Isa naghatag ani? Jesus. Nasa inyo kung ito mo. but this is not enough. And this is not enough. I hope that you will also take part and help me curve down, and make it straight forward towards holistic awareness. And I hope you will also do your part. Tapos na po ha? 2009, wala na sa pangalan, that is your challenge.
Nag-aral na siya daan, no? Nag-aral na siya daan, no? Nag-aral na siya daan, no? Nag-aral na siya, no? Bago na daan. Ayaw na liga na siya.
All these years, what we did, we go back to zero. We didn't learn anything. I wait for Wilmer after 12 o'clock, boy no sorry. Wilmer never came. And now he's in the bank house. I don't know what he's going to do with the bank house. Because he's alone, he can do whatever he likes. I saw him other day going with girls. And this is not the way the mission house have to go. There is no discipline. And Carlo is going to the bare body with the girl. All of you know this. This is the way the mission house has to be happened. Many times I call them to come and reason out. Nobody reason out. No respect for the mission. You see, Arthur and Jovan, they left because they allowed me to talk. I gave many chances to Wilmer. Even Arthur told me that, she's not like to accept Wilmer, but I just say give her another chance. Because I believe every failure has another chance. But nobody followed it up. I wrote about the good things about the mission house. The book never say anything negative about the mission house. The book always praise all of your work and your achievement. But what all of you do now is just opposite. So you are asking the Spirit to write another book for the side of the negative side of all of you. And in fact, I am not. I refuse to help the mission house. I told my daughter Aladina that I am quitting the mission house. I won't care. Then Arthur suffered the earthquake and she was a little bit upset. Last 26th of the birthday of mine, I went to Manila. I met all of my friends and I stayed with them up to December 16. And I saw all the things what they are doing. Some of them they are doing good, some of them they are not doing good. I found some Catholic priests, they are offering rituals in their church. Cutting the innocent chicken and the goat and offering the blood to the Munso. And this old practice has to be removed because we are standing in the new generation. As Arthur Jovan says, holistic. Think about what is holistic. I cannot stand anymore. Carlo never shape up. We still do the same thing. So they want a total punishment to break their leg or get accident. That's the time they will learn. And I do not know if that happens. Do not blame me. I do don't know why I'm doing like this in my life. I never did. In fact, I refused to come out to talk. I hide myself inside my room. And the whole day I passed yesterday. Why I had to punish myself? And now everybody is coming here. We already received 4 groups already to the mission house. One came from Asingan Pangasina, head by Dr. Dean Malu from PUP and Dr. Guanson. Second group came from Santagaria Pangasina and Inamutan Pangasina, led by Colonel Abhilal Villacorta and the first councillor of Manawak, the co-mayor Aisa, who lead the group. And the third group they came with the head of Jay Sabir, and the fourth group came with the head of Father Ed. And now there are other groups are coming. And I am happy this year my wishes are granted. Be able to satisfy the 50% of our eating product. We receive already 3 cabins of rice every month until those people physically leave this place. And I asked for the other 3 cabins of rice and it was given to me yesterday. And the feeding program is going nicely and I am happy. But when I am looking all of you, I am not happy. Vicky is not concentrating the mission openly, and I am not going to blame her also, because she is the emotional needs. She needs affection, at the same time she needs also spiritual guidance. And Annabelle, I have no problem with Annabelle. Only the problem with Annabelle is Candy. Candy and Annabelle until now they are not blend together. Even Candy can get angry with me, it is insecure when she sees Annabelle. And when it's in the mission work, there is no way of ill feeling or ill thoughts. I want everybody have to do it now, as soon as possible. I will tell you a story. I think I told this story to Chaco and others. There are 3 boys, they found a mango. And each of them, they won't eat the mango alone. Before they are close friends, now they saw a mango, they get angry each other. That means, if you see something here, then you get angry with others. Some of you are chosen, some of you are not. So the one who are not are getting angry with the chosen one. So when they found this mango, they decided to eat the mango alone. So they finally fight, and the police catch them and they brought to the courts. And when they brought to the courts, the judge told them that if anybody has the best dream, and that's the person who is going to eat the mango alone, and he asked all of them to go and sleep. I don't know, the children are listening to the story. So the next day, all of them, 3 of them, they assemble in front of the judge, and the judge asked them, what's your dream? The first one say, I have the best dream, and the judge asked him, what's your dream? God came into my dream. And the judge says, is it true? What he asked you? Then he says, he asked me, what is happiness? Then what do you tell him? I say, I do not know. Then I asked God, what is happiness? God brought me to His garden and He showed a beautiful garden. Stay with me in this garden, that is happiness. So I had a dream, because I already seen God's garden, so He had to give the mango to me. So the second one stand up and he also say his dream, and he also told him, God also came to my dream, and he also the book now. So anyway, that is the only one I can say. If anybody have hard feeling, forgive me. This is the time for the Christmas. Get a reform and get a change. So we need new hope. To get a new skin to refresh ourselves. You know, 2 or 3 days before I have a dream, I think I told the dream to Adelina, and I also told the dream to my other self. The dream goes like this, that I saw my father is painting a picture, and my grandmother is sweeping the ground. And when I turned, I saw all my skin is falling down, and I turned to a white skin. So what I learned, our ancestors and the spirit, they are watching all of us, all of our doing, and putting the final touch and cleaning our path. So now, thank you very much to bear this time. Please cooperate. Thank you.
Mga dami ko, nag-anda mo sa mission house. So, kami mga bata, kami.
I don't believe it's true, but you know and Bila ko, ay isa na, pinakalasan. Good ka! kulang anak. 5, 7, 4.
Oh, tama na.
Isa pa.